Before you spend millions on a cooling system for your new home, you need to watch this video. Most homeowners think it's a simple choice. Do I want individual units on the wall or one big system hidden in the ceiling? But the truth is, picking the wrong one won't just hurt your wallet today. It will lead to massive electricity bills and maintenance nightmares for years to come. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm your favorite realtor, Sandra Ajayi, and I get real estate investors on things to note before investing. You should watch this video through to the end because I'll be breaking down the split AC versus central cooling debate so you can decide which one actually makes sense for your specific home. Let's get into it. Let's start with the most common choice, the split air conditioner. A split system consists of two parts, an indoor unit on your wall and an outdoor compressor. Why does it make sense? Zoned cooling, number one. This is the biggest pro. If you are only using the master bedroom, you only turn on that one unit. You aren't wasting energy cooling an empty living room. Secondly, installation speed. You can buy a unit today and have it running by tomorrow afternoon. No major duct work or ceiling modification are required. Number three, maintenance. If one unit breaks down, the rest of the house stays cool. You just fix that one machine. The downside, visual cluster. You will have units on every wall and a forest of compressor outside your building, which can ruin a luxury aesthetics. Second option is a central cooling, VRF or VRV. Now let's talk about central cooling, specifically systems like VRF, the variable refrigerant flow. This is what you see in luxury hotels and modern high-end villas. Why go central? Number one, the aesthetics. There are no bulky units on the walls. All you see are slim, elegant vents in the ceilings. It's the gold standard for modern interior designs. Number two, uniform temperature. It cools the entire floor evenly. No hot spots or cold corners. Quiet operation. Because the main machinery is tucked away, you don't get that hum inside the room. The reality check. Central systems are expensive. The initial cost can be 3 to 4 times higher than the split unit. Plus, you need a specialized team for installation and servicing. If the main system goes down, the whole house gets hot. So which one should you choose? Choose split unit if you are on a budget, you live in a smaller home, or you are a power saver who only cools one room at a time. It's practical and easy to manage. Choose central cooling if you're building a luxury home where look and feel are everything and you have the budget for the initial setup. It's an investment in the long-term value of your property. Which one are you leaning towards for your next project? Let me know in the comments. If you're building in Nigeria and need a professional breakdown on construction costs or property advice, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. I'm your favorite realtor and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment and share. This would help in my next post. Have a nice day. Bye.